Hey guys, what is up? It's me, Faith, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday summer makeup routine. This is super lightweight and it's kind of like a bronzier look. I hate heavy makeup in the summertime because when you walk outside and the heat hits you, it literally feels like a mask is like peeling off of your face.
And I can't handle it, guys.
If you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Also, if you guys haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button right below me, and let's go ahead and get into today's video. Okay, so starting out, I always start with moisturizer with SPF because it's important to protect your skin from the sun. So today I'm using the Too Faced Hangover Good to Go moisturizer. This stuff smells like coconut and it's awesome. I really like this type of applicator because it's really easy just to pump. It's so funny how your face like burns differently from the rest of like your body. So I put that on my face, blend it all in.
There we go.
Then I always fill in my eyebrows before I do any of my face makeup because that's my vibe. But I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Medium Brow Powder Duo and then this Anastasia brow brush that has the brow end. But I just take the lighter side, oops, there's a piece of dust.
Probably don't want that on my eyebrow.
Line underneath the front of my brow first and then kind of brush it up. And I just kind of add more until I get the look that I want. And like I said, I'm gonna take some of the darker shade just to put on the end of my brow. And then once I kind of get it shaped, then I'm going to take the spoolie side and blend it out so it's a little bit more natural. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, so bear with me. Once I finish filling in my eyebrows, I go in with my Glossy Boy Brow. This is in the shade Brown, and I know it looks really beat up because I've had it for a while. And I just run this through my brows. It adds a little bit of color, and it also just helps them stay throughout the day because I get crazy eyebrows. I need to get more of this.
Oops.
It's okay if that happens because I just take the spoolie. Sometimes this happens, guys. You just take this spoolie and blend it out. Okay, and the next step before I go into my foundation is I use the Glossy Future Dew Serum. This basically just gives my skin a really good base and it helps it look so much glowier. For foundation in the summer, I like to keep it really light because I just don't like heavy stuff on my skin when it's hot outside. So I'm using the Glossy Skin Tint. This I find pairs perfectly with the Future Dew. So if you guys are going to try this out, I definitely recommend getting this with it because I think the two together. So I'm in the shade G8 and this is awesome. You just drip it on your face. It's basically like your skin but better. So I just blend this in with my fingers because that is the best application I find for this. For concealer, I use the NARS Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade Light 2 Vanilla, which I probably need to get a darker shade because I'm getting tanner. But, you know.
It's okay, guys.
I put this underneath my eyes. As you guys can see, I have nice under eye circles. Had them my whole life. And then I have some acne popping up, so I'm just going to cover that up. This looks really nice how I set that up. I'm going to go with my Beauty Blender. This is from ColourPop, and I've already gotten it damp, so I just blend it out. I'm gonna go ahead and set my eyes because they crease
so fast.
Using Glossier's Wilder. This is in the shade G8 to G10. I believe this is the medium one. I'm gonna come back and set the rest of my face after I do my blush. So the blush I use is another Glossier product. This is the Cloud Pink in the shade Dusk. This color is my ultimate fave. Put this much on my finger. This might be too much, but you know, sometimes life happens. Yeah, and I'm just gonna take the flat side of the Beauty Blender and just blend it out. That's my blush. It kind of looks a little intense on this side, but the camera's making it not look balanced out, but I promise you guys, in real life, it is. Then I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face with the same powder. I'm using this brush from Mascara Beauty. Once I'm done setting my face, I'm gonna go in with the same brush on the same side and use my Benefit Hoola Bronzer. So what I typically use, I do my cheekbones and they look like a fish. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I can't talk when I'm doing that, obviously. Then I take some and I put some up on my temples and blend that down to where the other bronzer is. And then I take some and I just brush it on my nose. I don't like contour or anything. And then I take some and do underneath my jawline. And then for highlighter, I'm using MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. It's kind of just like a soft, like peachy kind of champagne-y color. I'm gonna take the brush that came with the Hoola Bronzer, and this is how I apply it to my cheekbones. Then I'm gonna go in with a flat shader brush and apply it underneath my eyebrows. And then in my inner corners and on my nose, I do a little like dot on the tip of my nose and then do a line. And then of course on my Cupid's bow. And before I go into my eye makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with my NYX
Dewy Finish Setting Spray.
Once I let that dry, I'm gonna go ahead and go into my eyes. So for eyes, I always use my Kylie Cosmetics bronze palette. This is my favorite palette ever. I just recently got this at the beginning of the summer.
I am obsessed.
I'm gonna go into the shade Topaz and Tiger Eye and mix them and just blend that right here. once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in with this brush that's from my Naked Heat palette. I'm just gonna take this side of it, and I'm gonna pick up the same 2 colors and just blend this underneath my lash line. After I do that, I'm gonna go in with a flat shader brush, and I'm gonna take the shade Goldstone, and I'm gonna apply that to the center of my eyelid. I absolutely love this shade. Instead of eyeliner, I've been using just a dark brown eyeshadow and lining my eyes with that. I'm gonna go in with the shade Bronzite on my little eyeliner brush and just kind of line my lash line just to make my lashes look fuller. Then I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. This is the Sonia Kashuk eyelash curler from Target. So for mascara, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. Now for lip, usually I'll just do like chapstick or like a lip gloss in the summer, but sometimes I do like to do like a matte lip. So today I'm gonna go ahead and do my all-time favorite matte lip is the Kylie Cosmetics lip kit in the shade Kylie. This is the best shade ever. I'm gonna take the lip liner. The cool thing about this lip liner is it's actually a little darker than the actual shade, and I find that that looks really good. Then I'm gonna take the lip kit. And then I just take my finger and dab it. And yeah, that's what the lips look like. So this is my finished makeup look that I do for the summer. This is really quick and easy. I absolutely love this makeup for the summertime because I think it's just like the perfect amount. It's like super bronzy but not too heavy, and that's why I love it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed me sharing my makeup routine with you. If you did, let me know in the comments down below. Also, please let me know your video suggestions so I can make videos for you guys. And yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. So if you guys like this, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for me. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button right below me. And if you're interested in checking out my previous videos, you can click them right over there, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Drown myself inside the juice, yeah.